Come home with me? Solo Flight Edition. We were in Dubai for 2 weeks and grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. We visited our sisters and finally met the newest member of the family, baby.
Jamila!
Actually, doing a solo flight has been always one of my dreams, kaya gusto ko talagang i-document tong experience na to. And by the way, we are flying with Emirates. And first things first, syempre guys, tayo ay nag-check-in, nag-baggage drop tayo, 30 kilos yan guys.
So heavy, tata!
And then we get our boarding pass and after that pumunta tayo sa immigration. So walking na tayo and we have to go sa VAT refund. So medyo kinakabahan tayo dyan kasi they say na kailangan ko daw pumuntang office para ipakita yung mga nabili natin. And ayan, masaya tayo kasi madali lang pala. Akala ko kasi talagang nasa office siya pero open area naman. So now punta na tayo sa ating boarding gate. So C2 ang ating boarding gate. Akala ko malapit lang siya kasi nga after ng C1, C2 yung pala guys. Pangalawa siya sa dulo. So walking siya and ang cute ng mga upuan nila guys. So pwedeng nakataas yung paa mo. And finally, after 5,000 steps, ayan, nakita na natin ang ating boarding gate. And thank God, merong Starbucks sa tabi. So we just ordered our favorite croissant. So sino si Riz? Grace yun. And we were just killing time since maaga pa. Ang saya pala guys mag-solo travel. Kinda nervous pero fulfilling siya at the end. I'm thinking before kung kaya ko ba tong gawin. And right now, napapaisip tayo, where are we going next? Of course, di mawawala morning devotion. And after that, bio break muna. And of course, feet check. And we went near at the boarding gate since the staffs are already calling the passengers. So at this time, masaya na tayo because finally, tayo ay magpapahinga na for a 8-hour flight. And voila, we secured a window seat. I really love to see the view. And if you're flying with Emirates, they are giving you headset, blanket, and pillow. Yes! And hanap muna tayo ng movie, Toy Story, at tayo na nga ay inantok. So, tulog muna tayo guys para makapagpahinga. Look at the city lights. Yan talaga ang pinakagusto kong view kapag gabi. And realizing that the Lord is really good and faithful upon my life. And here's our menu for today's flight. So, ayan, we have yakisoba, yogurt, and fruits, and we have croissant and milk. Ayan, after that, natulog ulit tayo. And bio break and mirror check. Antok na antok pa tayo. And then lunch, we have dory, rice, and chocolate mousse. Ayan guys, in fairness, masarap ang food. Bon appetit! And kapag ganyan ang view, alam mong nasa Philippines ka na. And after that, lumabas na tayo and kinuha ang ating baggage. So, ayan, na-secured na natin. And finally, we're now here at the car. We're now here in Manila.